Hello, and welcome to The New Sound. Today we'll explore the backbeat and how it relates to the music we make. Imagine you're clapping along to your favorite song. Most of the time, you'll find yourselves clapping on certain beats more than others. In most popular music, there's a pattern of emphasizing the second and fourth beats when counting to 4 repeatedly. For example, try counting 1, 2, 3, 4 out loud and clap a little louder on the 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That louder clap, that's the backbeat. It adds extra energy to certain parts of the groove, making it feel more lively and impactful. During the birth of rock and roll, the backbeat emerged as one of the most defining elements. Iconic artists like Elvis, Chuck Berry, and Little Richard predominantly used the backbeat to help establish the rebellious energy that categorized rock music. But it's not just rock. Jazz, pop, R&B, and even some classical pieces all utilize the backbeat in one way or another. The beauty of the backbeat is in its simplicity. Just 2 beats, yet it can transform a simple melody into an unforgettable groove. Thanks for watching. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.